Are you one of those people who want to increase your bank balance without working on a 9-to-5 job? Without a big fat investment? Well, apparently it seems possible, but this is where the internet comes to rescue. Today we'll show you how to create a free e-commerce website with a free domain and free hosting that'll help you to earn money just by sitting in your home. Sounds great, right? So without any further ado, let's start. E-commerce is increasingly important to corporate strategy in the developing global economy and serves as a powerful engine for growth. A few years ago, in order to create an e-commerce website, one would need to locate an application development firm, an agency that aids in digitalization, or hire a team of developers experienced in building e-commerce websites. Nowadays, anyone may come up with a concept and create a complete e-commerce website. This is the ideal time if you want to enter the era of e-commerce and have a modest impact on its exponential growth. Many businesses, from startups to small and medium-sized enterprises to major brands, can profit from having an online store where they can sell their goods and services. The high expenditures of store renting, hiring a salesperson to win over clients, power bills, security measures, etc. are not necessary for an online business. Perhaps easier than we think, building an e-commerce website. Even though many e-commerce websites handle the majority of our job, it is necessary to understand what requirements the website has. Within a few years, business growth can be significantly added by conducting research on the subject or the content related to the subject of your website. Now let us quickly show how a few steps you can make a free e-commerce website with free domain and free hosting. First, let all of us understand the importance of these factors. The capacity of your brand to offer the public a high-quality service depends on a top-notch website hosting service. A variety of applications such as online shops, blogs, and websites can be hosted, and doing so has advantages such as improved performance and increased security. Check that a hosting package includes everything you'll need to create your website. Consider your website's traffic projections as well as the storage space requirements for website files. Security. Furthermore, a free SSL certificate and name servers that are protected by Cloudflare are two examples of security measures that may be included with a web hosting provider you have chosen. Next, a theme for your website is the first thing you need to think about. Themes are pre-made themes that offer your website an organized appearance. Start tweaking the theme or design you've chosen for your online business after you've finally found it. You can update your header and footer here, set up your site's navigation, and create pages that go from your homepage to your page about refunds and return policies. Create your product catalog, along with all of your product listings when you've finished building out your website. To make your listings easy to find and manage for you and future site visitors, arrange and categorize them during this procedure. Select a plan that is within your means and take the cost of renewal into account, since you must keep your subscription active and utilize the hosting capabilities. You can understand why this initial step is essential, given that the domain is what users will type to access your website. Whether you run a personal blog or a company website, your website should reflect your brand. To do this, pick a suitable domain name that people can remember easily. Use your name, for instance, for your portfolio website, or the name of your business for a commercial website. Be sure to choose a memorable domain name. Take a look at the length. Be brief and straightforward. Not over 12 characters are advised. Characters. There shouldn't be any numerals or hyphens in your selected domain name. It could be challenging to type otherwise. For a beginner, the main advantage of free web hosting is that they may learn all the fundamentals of setting up a website and become more at ease when switching to paid web hosting in the future. The greatest benefit is cost effectiveness, which is free. They have no strings attached and are completely free. Since a personal website is only intended to be used for entertainment and information, this can be a great option. Therefore, there's no benefit to paying a large sum of money to get commercial web hosting. Due to the fact that its most economical web hosting packages include a free domain, utilize Pantheon's WordPress hosting to create websites that are unmatched in terms of speed, uptime, and scalability. Achieve minimal operational overhead by publishing in real time and taking control of your plan. Let's show you a few quick steps that'll help you to create your free domain in Pantheon. To create a free developer account, go to pantheon.io and choose Start for Free. Please complete the necessary information and remember the password you're giving. You'll have to invent a name for your business, which we mentioned earlier. Give your website a name. The first word in your title should ideally be your UBIT name. Keep a record of the URL for the development site. The connection to your website will be made using this. The next step you'll have to do right here is to click to deploy WordPress. And here, your Pantheon dashboard is now being displayed. And there you can see the sandbox where your WordPress project was set up. To access your site's admin area, click the Sites tab. Configure your SFTP client. Download and install CyberDuck's free version if you're using your personal desktop. Now select Atom as the text editor by going to Edit Preferences Editor. Verify Always Use. Click Connect through SFTP after selecting Development Mode. SFTP in your Pantheon dashboard. Copy the following details into a CyberDuck file, open connection window, and take note of them. Remember the basic first password you set on the Pantheon dashboard. Make sure you're connecting via the SFTP protocol. Check always when the unknown fingerprint warning appears. Then click Allow. Click twice on the code folder. To keep this connection information and simplify login in the future, select Bookmark, New Bookmark. Now, make a new folder called New Project and place it within the code folder. Files for new projects should be uploaded here. Make sure the files are present in the new project folder at the root level and are not hidden in the subfolder. Enter your development site URL and then the string project1 to view your site. Using this as an illustration, go to dev-licata-fall-2023 pantheonsite.io/new project. And here we're all set to go. Remember, following the completion of the content on your e-commerce website, you'll need to take care of a few crucial components such as adding in an inventory management system and tax tools, as well as setting up a payment processor. Selecting a payment gateway. To make the process simpler and more secure, many online businesses choose to use third-party solutions like Stripe or PayPal when choosing and setting up a payment gateway. Make sure the data is completely secured before transfer if you're rerouting the customer to another website. For a smooth experience, if your platform permits it, you should incorporate shipping with your e-commerce website. You can concentrate on selling because it'll make operations simpler. Establish your shipping policies such as whether they're free, variable, flat rate, etc. before integrating delivery. Moreover, create return and refund policies while you're at it. You must thoroughly test the website before making it available to your consumers. The website's links and buttons must all function properly. The theme should be used in the design of even 404 error web pages. Run tests to determine whether you can add items to your cart and complete the payment. The majority of sites let you test out payment processing without actually using your credit card. Ensure that when a transaction has been made or denied, all emails are delivered to the appropriate inboxes. Check your website's appearance and functionality on mobile devices. Last but not least, try to evaluate the site's functionality on various web browsers, if at all possible. Everything from category pages to product descriptions should have been tested and verified before you're ready to launch. Your social media pages, email lists, guest articles on well-known retail blogs in your niche, influencer marketing, and other methods of a public announcement should all be used to announce the opening of your e-commerce site. On Facebook, Google, and other sites, you can also choose to use paid advertising if you have the money. And here we're concluding. Hope this video will help you enough in your future career with e-commerce. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Hit like to show your support for our efforts. Also, keep in mind to press the bell icon and subscribe to the channel to never miss any updates from us. We'll be right back in the next video. Thanks for watching.